Let's go look at it, Flow Money. Let's go look at it. All right, let's spark you around too. Oh, sheesh. Dude, feel this thing. It's strapped on there, bro. At first, the straps came off. I was like, oh, hell no. Dude, this thing is not going nowhere.
She's a beaut. Give her a little wiggle. There she goes. Give her a quick little.
Oh,
a little right up there in the back.
There's Shakira. Miley's over there.
Shakira.
Ooh. Dude, that sounds way better.
That's vicious. Give her a little ride up there. That's nasty. That's so badass, bro.
Dude, it sounds way better.
It sounds way better.
Oh, my feet are burning.
Mine too. It sounds good.
Dude, that's badass. Sheesh. Skirt tie.
All right, my room is a mess, but it's okay. Same day we did the muffler delete on the motorcycle, you know what I'm saying? The helmet came in. Hold this, Flo. I need you to hold that. Motorcycle helmet's here. We just got off work. We got Slamarooski. Sparky scared of the box. Sparky scared of it.
We did get slammed.
Oh shit!
LS2.
LS2 baby. Oh damn, it's over.
You guys ain't even ready. It doesn't even look like that.
Ain't even
on the inside.
ready. Oh shit! I didn't get to ride my thing to work today because I didn't have my helmet. Bro, I can't. You were right. It did come in a zippy bag.
I told you. They all do. I got you. You got to be able to protect it when you're not using it. Or else your visor will get all scratched up.
Oh yeah.
Let's see the beauty.
Not yet.
Oh,
Yo,
it's
I
a
didn't
tease.
play when it's like that.
It's
Wait,
a
I don't
tease.
want these tags on it first.
5
I know. Oh, that shit's actually kind of murdered out, huh?
That shit's badass.
Holy crap. As you can see, I wear a small size helmet because I got a small little head. Yeah. Oh. Oh. The perfect
Put the
fit.
put the glasses down.
Let's go with y'all.
That's sick. It looks sick as fuck with those. You did.
You're so funny. You got a zombie one.
We already did the muffler delete. We're gonna go wash this because we put it on a trailer. We traveled 500 miles to get it here. So I'm gonna take it and wash it and wash Miley because I'm gonna put a car cover on Miley and Parker. And I don't want to start it right here because it's gonna be all loud. My neighbors will hate me even more. They already hate me, but I don't want them to hate me all the way. Say, brr, 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 brr.
Name this yet, so.
Yeah, we gotta name her. Right, you just can't beat it.
You just can't be doing it, mate.
You really can't. You really can't.
She's a beauty.
I don't even know what to think. Everyone's gonna hate me out here.
Yeah,
I can't.
two loud ass fucking vehicles.
Oh, helmet hair out the ass. All right, so we got Miley here. Hope you guys like those rollers. You know, we got Flow Money and his girl behind the camera doing the magic. We got Miley full of bugs. You know how I get with my bugs. I don't even want to talk about that. Then with the towels, when we're done washing, we're gonna go ahead and give. I gotta name this baby girl right. I gotta give it a name. I don't know how to name her yet though. She sounds nasty now. Oh my god. All we did was take a muffler off. Oh shit. Oh, all right. We're gonna get these cars washed. Man, let's give them a little edit for the car wash. Check this shit out.
Walking with my shadow in the valley of death. All this pain that I be facing, trying to get it off my chest. But I feel like I'm lost, trying to find my way back. It's just me and my cousin, we trying to show you we the best. Tell them they do not know us, they best be writing a check. Staying down until the come up, you should know that we next. Along with my fucking shadow in the valley of death. All this pain that I be facing, trying to get it off my chest. Just me and my shadow through these alleys I've seen.
Yo, wait, let me get it on Snapchat. Yo, give it a little alert. Alright, let's pack this boy up. Let's go get some Slurpees and call it a night.
And some mangonadas. Let's go. Hurry, KJ.
What?
Said hurry, KJ.
Some of all of our sacrifices, we're done waiting.
I'm telling you, bro. It's because the lighting, it makes it look like you guys are in a movie.
We are.
in a movie.
Hey, look, a bear. Hey, buddy. Awesome.
He's like, shit, that's a bear.
That's a fucking bear. That's fucking sick. Bro,
On the blog?
I was like, what? Yeah, I got it on the blog. Yeah.
You know we got the safety first.
What's going on?
Flow money ain't. You know what we're doing out here. All right, I give it 10 minutes before cops come. Shit, he's coming to me. Oh shit, I'm getting scared. Does he actually know how to ride? Bro, that bear scared the shit out of me. I was like, bro, I'm about to fucking turn around. Like, If that thing would have started chasing me, I was gone. I was dropping second, taking off like a ninja. Ugh.
For the motorcycle culture.
Do you like that bear?
No, but my bike sounds a lot better. It's more wet with that big ugly exhaust thing taken off, the muffler. We went yoink, it's only 2 bolts, that thing slid right off. Dude, his bike's smooth, bro. There's some bright headlights too.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, so we're getting the helmet to glow. We're putting light on it with this bright flashlight. But dude, this is sick. Look, there's no glow, and we already started on the other side. You want to flip the helmet around? We already started on the other side with the flashlight, because this is a glow-in-the-dark helmet. Yo, that is fucking wet. Oh my god. I've ever said.
All right, y'all. So here's it on his head. Do a quick turnaround for them. Okay, okay. Pull the shades down. Pull the shades down.
Oh,
show him what he,
shit.
show him what he
I
do.
haven't mastered that.
Nasty.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's badass.
That shit's wet. That shit's wet.
Outside and I knew it was best.
I'm strong right now, cause these weights on my chest. We won't back down, cause we know we the best. Not right now, our time never rests. Best in the world, most definitely in the West. Name someone else that really got it like that. Shit never changed, so we gotta watch our back. Snakes still slither, especially when you're a winner. Not worried about no looks, I'm worried about your inner. We simply just some crooks in the valley full of sinners. Circle be your size, a circle full of doing.
Walking with my shadow in the valley of death. All this pain that I be facing, trying to get it off my chest. But I feel like I'm lost, trying to find my way back. It's just me and my cousin, we trying to show you we the best. Tell them they do not know us, they best be writing a check. Staying down until they come up, you should know that we next. Alone with my fucking shadow in the valley of death. All this pain that I be facing, trying to get it off my chest. I'm just focused on something that's more than you can imagine. I wanna take you so much places, we just laughing and dancing. Sorry I don't do the crowds, too much snakes in the grass. If they ever catch me slipping, I am making some havoc. Somehow you keep me on your mind and it's keeping me happy. I've had a lot up on my mind since my brother had passed, and I just be staying on my grind. Too much shit that could happen, yeah. Too much shit that can happen. I've been trying to stay focused like fuck a life sentence. The Lord knows I stay smoking to keep my mind tempered. To take this mission a lot farther than a life sentence. If you don't get it, you won't get it, yeah, your mind tripping. Walking with my shadow in the valley of death. All this pain that I be facing, trying to get it off my chest. But I feel like I'm lost, trying to find my way back. It's just me and my cousin, we trying to show you we the best. Tell them they do not know us, they best be writing a check. Staying down until they come up, you should know that we next. Alone with my fucking shadow in the valley of death. All this pain that I be facing, trying to get it off my chest.
You all appreciate it.